Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run the binary option robot Alpha Master. You can download this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. I have just done a big withdraw from this account, and now I'm going to step up my game from $30 each bid to $50 each bid. So let's see how we do in this video. But now let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it, we made a fast $93 with Alpha Master. You can download this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. The link up there is basically this robot thing you see. So with that, have an amazing day.